Hey, it's your girl Crystal. I'm back with another video. This one is on how to install light fixtures on a budget. You guys, I got 2 packs of these for under 35 bucks. I mean, you can't beat that. They're battery operated, it comes with a remote, or you can work it just by the click of the button. Just click the light. You can't get any easier than that. So I personally decided to spray paint this first set. So an easy and cheap way I find out I can do that is, as you can see, I'm covering it with tape to protect the light itself. I'm going to use my box cutters. I'm going to turn on the light, and I'm going to use the light to guide me so that I can cut a perfect circle around the light. Let me speed up so I don't bore anybody. We're going to remove the excess tape. And we're going to keep doing that same technique on the rest of the lights. Cover it with tape. Turn the light on. Use the box cutters to cut around the light. And pull off the extra tape. Okay, you kind of get the gist. Next, I'm going to spray paint. I use flat black paint, and I'm doing that, or let's say that I prefer black because the wall that I'm choosing to put this on is a wooden accented wall that I created a couple of weeks ago. Also, I made a video on that, so please look out for that. But anyway, I have black floating shells on that same wall, so I thought if I spray painted these black, they wouldn't be as noticeable and they would blend a whole lot better. So you don't have to do it, it just depends on where you're putting your lights. Next, after it dries, it takes about 2 or 3 minutes to dry. We're just going to go back and remove the rest of the tape. FYI to you guys, long nails and DIY projects do not go hand in hand, so I apologize for whatever paint stains you may see. I have a couple of broken nails. It was not a good day, but it was worth it. And one light accidentally came on, but it kind of shows you what it'll look like. I think they personally look a whole lot better when they're painted black. Is it me or they look more expensive? I don't know. That's what we're trying to do. We're going for a rich look on a budget. But anyway, these are tape holders. These are what you're going to use to glue them or get them to stick to whatever surface you choose to put your light on. Like I said, mine are going on floating shells underneath them. The instructions said red is supposed to be down, black is facing up. I definitely did not read instructions until later on, so you're gonna like see me switch it. So here it is, red down, black up. Another note I learned, read instructions first. But then again, I don't know why it matters. Both sides are sticky. If anyone knows why it matters, please let me know in the comments. So here's one side of the wall that I chose to put the lights on. You can kind of see, like I said, it's a darker tone. The floating shelves are black. So you can kind of see why I chose to spray paint them black. White would not be a good look on this wall. And I'm going to put another one on that top shelf. Press down on it firmly for a couple of seconds. Do the same to the other one. Like I said, it comes with a remote. Just aim at whatever light you want to aim it at. Turn it off the same way. And this was the final look, and I loved it. Nice, nice, nice. And again, y'all, it was 35 bucks for 6 of them. So they left me with 2 extra ones and a whole nother pack. I put the rest of them in the kitchen because my cabinets are eggshell. I just left the lights white. Looks nice. I really, really love it. And again, it was 35 bucks. That's it, you guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and stay tuned for any upcoming videos. And check out my old ones, please.